8-4, evaluating expressions. Hey everyone, so that's what we're working on today, is looking at evaluating expressions, so more to do with our PEMDAS and order of operations. So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, is your keyword for this lesson, PEMDAS. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. So, like I said, evaluating expressions. How can you evaluate with brackets? So now we're throwing in a new kind of parenthesis. These brackets go around a set of other parentheses. So you notice you've got the parentheses going on here, but then there's something else after the parentheses, and then that's in brackets. So some expressions look difficult because they include parentheses and brackets. You could think of brackets as outside parentheses. You evaluate inside parentheses first. So step 1, evaluate inside parentheses and brackets. So we're going to start with the 3.6 divided by 0.6. Now we know when we're dividing, we just move the decimal so that we have whole numbers in the divisor. So that means it's 36 divided by 6, which is just 6. So we've got 3. Whoops, that's too small. Hang on. So we have 3.2 times 12 minus 2 plus 6. Now we do the outside brackets. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So we have 3.2 times 12 minus 8. So there are no exponents, so that means we can move on to multiplying. So we've got 3.2 times 12, multiply the 3.2 and the 12. So just a refresher with that, 12 times 3.2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. We put the 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 3 is 38. So we get 38.4 minus 8. That's what we end up with. So our last thing we need to do is take 38.4 and subtract 8 from it. And remember, when you set these up, the 8 is going to go before the decimal. It's going to line up with the other 8 because this 8 is a whole number. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus nothing is 3. So our answer is 30.4. All right, our next one, we have 4.5 minus 2.1. We get 2.4 plus 2.3. So now we add, and we get 4.7. All right, our next one. Now, here's one like we talked about last time with the variable, and we have to substitute in. So we're going to substitute. So we end up with 9.8 plus 6.2 times 2.8. So first we add what's in the parentheses. So 9.8 plus 6.2, which is going to give us 16 times 2.8. 16 times 2.8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 4 is going to give us 12. Put the 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Add these together. 8, 4, 4. And don't forget our decimal. So 16 times 2.8 is going to give us 44.8. All right, here's one that has our outer brackets and our inner parentheses. So we start with what's inside the smallest parenthesis. So 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3, so this right here, which is going to give us 7.8 minus 2.1 plus 2.3. So now we do what's in the brackets. So 7.8 minus 2.1, which will give us 5.7 plus 2.3. There's no multiplication or division, so we move on to addition and subtraction. So 5.7 plus 2.3 is going to give us 8. And there's our answer. All right, here's another one where we have to substitute in. So we've got the y equals 9.8. So we're going to put that right there. So we've got our big brackets, 7.9 plus 13.5 minus 9.8 plus 10.4. So we do what's in the parentheses first. So 7.9 plus 13.5 is going to give us 21.4 minus, now we do the second one over here, 9.8, plus 10.4, which is going to give us 20.2. Now we'll subtract. So we take 21.4 minus the 20.2, and we're going to get 1.2. So all that craziness up there worked down to just 1.2. All right, so remember your keyword is PEMDAS. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day.